Hello, my lovely viewers. Let's take a quick look at this question. This question will ask the chemical used for the removal of permanent and temporary hardness in water is what? We are given a range of options here. Now, before I go to the answer to the question, temporary, what do you understand by temporary and permanent hardness of water? Now, firstly, hardness of water is a water that does not easily lather with soap. Okay, a water that does not form foam easily when soap or detergent is applied to it. You get that? Now, there are two types of hardness of water. We have temporary and permanent hardness of water. Temporary is a type of hard water that can easily be removed by what? By boiling. While permanent hardness of water is a type of water that cannot easily be removed. In fact, that cannot be removed by what? By boiling. Do you understand? Now, there are ions that causes this hardness of water. Look at the ions here. Ions that cause this temporary both permanent and hardness of water include, we have magnesium ion, we have calcium ion, we have, these are the two major ions, but we have other one, more especially in a place where dissolved minerals are much. You have something like manganese ion, we have something like strontium ion, we have iron, we have barium ion. This one are mostly limited. You get that? But in a case in exams, in case this one are not given and this one are given, just you can also take it. You get that? But this one are all limited. But the major ion that causes hardness of water is what? Magnesium ion and what? Calcium ion. Now, the permanent and temporary hardness of water depends on these two things. We have bicarbonate, and what? And sulfate. Bicarbonate and what? And sulfate. Do you get that? Now, when this ion combine with this bicarbonate, it forms what? It forms temporary hardness of water. All this ion, look at. When all this one combine with this one, it form what? Temporary. You get that? Why all this ion, when it form with this one, now remember we also have another one called Cl minus. Also, they form what? Permanent. If all this ion now, they form what we call what? Let me wipe this one. They form what we call permanent. You get that? Example, you have something like MgHCO3. Are you following? You have CaCO3. Do you understand? So by the time you see all this one combining with this one, they form temporary hardness of water. When all this one now combine with sulfate, they form what? Permanent hardness of water. For example, we have what? MgSO4 is what? Permanent hardness of water. CaSO4 is what? Permanent hardness of what? Water. We have what? MnSO4 permanent, but this one is mostly very rare. All right. So when this one now combine with bicarbonate, they form what? Temporary hardness of water. When this one now combine with this one now, they form what? Permanent hardness of water. Now, how do you remove this temporary and permanent hardness of water? Now we have for temporary, the one way you can use and remove it is what? One, boiling. Two is what? The use of slaked lime. Slaked lime is calcium hydroxide. Slaked lime. This is slaked lime. Another method is what? Three is what? Washing soda. Washing soda is sodium. These are the three ways you can use to remove what? Temporary hardness of water. Now, for permanent hardness of water, permanent hardness of water, number one, distillation. Use what? Distillation. You use distillation to what? To remove it. Number two, you use what? You use washing soda. Washing soda is Na2CO3. So washing soda. So washing soda is a type of chemical you can use to remove both permanent and temporary hardness of water. Another one is what? Another one is caustic soda. Caustic soda is NaOH. Are you following? And another method is what? Number 4, we have permitide. Permitide, that is the use of ion exchange resin. You understand? So these are the 4 ways you can use to remove what? Permanent hardness of water. And these are the 3 ways you can use to remove temporary hardness of water. So which one is common among them? We have washing soda. There's washing soda there, and there's washing soda there. That is sodium triiodocarbonate. Is the one that is common among them. So our option is what? Our option is do well to like this video, share and comment. Please, most important thing is what? To like. Thank you and God bless you.